The Vivo Y300 is an impressive addition to Vivo's lineup, offering a compelling mix of design, performance, and features aimed at a diverse range of users. This smartphone is equipped with a stunning 6.67-inch AMOLED display that boasts a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, ensuring sharp and vibrant visuals ideal for everything from watching videos to gaming and browsing. Adding to the immersive display experience is the smooth 120Hz refresh rate, which enhances scrolling and gameplay, making interactions feel fluid and seamless. At its core, the Vivo Y300 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 4 Gen 2 chipset, which combines an efficient octa-core CPU setup, 2x2.2 GHz Cortex, A78 and 6x1.95 GHz Cortex, A55, with the Adreno 613 GPU. This hardware configuration not only ensures robust everyday performance but also handles multitasking and demanding apps with ease. Users can choose between configurations with 8GB or 12GB of RAM, paired with a generous 256GB of internal storage, which can be expanded further using a microSD XC card in the shared SIM slot, making the device versatile for heavy storage needs. Photography is another standout feature of the Vivo Y300. On the rear, the phone boasts a dual camera system featuring a 50MP main sensor with an f/1.8 aperture for excellent low-light performance and an 8MP ultra-wide lens offering a 120 degrees field of view, perfect for capturing landscapes and group shots. The 32MP front-facing camera ensures selfies are crisp and detailed, catering to users who prioritize high-quality video calls and social media content. The device runs on the latest Android 14 operating system, layered with Vivo's custom FunTouch 14 interface, which is known for its user-friendly design and practical enhancements. Keeping the phone powered throughout the day is a robust 5000 mAh battery, which supports an impressive 80W wired charging technology. This feature allows the device to charge from 0% to 80% in just 30 minutes, minimizing downtime and keeping users connected. Beyond the core specifications, the Vivo Y300 is packed with additional features that elevate its overall appeal. The under-display optical fingerprint sensor offers a seamless and secure way to unlock the device, while the stereo speakers enhance the audio experience, whether for music, movies, or games. The phone's IP64 rating adds a layer of durability, protecting it against dust and splashes, making it suitable for everyday use in a variety of conditions. Aesthetically, the Vivo Y300 is designed to turn heads with its premium build and eye-catching color options, including titanium silver, carbon black, and green. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photography lover, or someone seeking a reliable and stylish smartphone, the Vivo Y300 stands out as a feature-rich option that blends modern technology with practical usability.